Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying fundamentals. Update iOS, sign into your Apple ID, and confirm a working device passcode. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient faults and make sure time and date are correct. Face ID security timers depend on accurate system clocks. If the device is managed by MDM or has a corporate profile, remove or consult the admin, because those profiles can enforce extra security delays. Now move to the settings where Face ID and passcode controls live. You now go into Settings, right arrow Face ID and passcode, and inspect what uses Face ID. Once there, reset Face ID and immediately re-enroll your face. Use steady lighting, a neutral expression, and 2 enrollment passes to improve the model. Make sure toggles like iPhone unlock and wallet are set correctly. Toggling them off and on can reinitialize policy timers. If delays persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Then test changing Face ID again. You finish by verifying behavior after re-enrollment. Test lock, unlock, and changes. Give the device 5 to 10 minutes for background services to sync. If the security delay still blocks Face ID changes, back up your data and consider a clean restore. A factory reset often clears persistent policy state. Also inspect for MDM or configuration profiles that may enforce a mandatory delay. If nothing helps, gather diagnostics and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for deeper inspection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.